Subscribe.
Today I'm super excited to bring you 2 just like home playsets. I'll be opening a 1-cup beverage maker and a toaster, and we're gonna whip up some breakfast together. Let's open this one first. It's pretty much a Keurig machine. I bet your parents have used it. Here's the machine taken out of the box. It comes with 3 beverages you can make. The first one is hot chocolate, tea, and coffee. It also comes with 1 coffee cup. I think we should make some hot chocolate. So to make it, first you need to fill up the cup with some water. Let's move over to the sink. I'll turn it on. And don't forget to turn off the water. Now I'll open this part and pour the water in. Next, I'll flip this up and put in the capsule. And now I just press the button and wait. And here's our cup of hot chocolate. Mmm, yummy! In real life, you would open this up and throw away the capsule once you're done. But this is a toy, so don't throw it away.
That would be a waste.
Now let's open up the toaster so we can have something to eat with our coffee. Here's the toaster taken out of the box. This knob over here controls how long it's going to toast for. Once you put in your bread, you just press this down and it'll start toasting. With this set, you can either make toast or bagels. Let's make the bagels first. And now we wait. Whoa! The toaster shoots it out! Hot, 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 hot. Here we have 2 slices of toasted bagels. Now let's make some bread toast. Whoa! This one shot out too! Well, one of them. Now that we have our breakfast, let's make a fresh cup of coffee to go with it. You guys remember how to do it, right? We need some water first. Now we pour that in. Open this part to put the coffee capsule in. Close it up and then press the button. And now we wait. Mmm, can you smell that coffee? It's waking me up already. Yay, our coffee's ready. I'll just add a little bit of whipped cream on mine. And I don't know about you guys, but I like cream cheese on my bagel. And I like butter for my toast. Yum! Breakfast is served! Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!